Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making this adorable Easter Bunny table runner. It's a quick and easy way to brighten up your table for the Easter holiday. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. Alright, let's get this project started. First, trace the individual parts of 4 bunnies onto the paper side of the fusible web. Cut out each piece about 1/4 inch outside the tracing line. Following the manufacturer's directions, fuse the pieces to the wrong side of the appropriate colors of fabrics and let them cool. Then cut out the pieces along the traced lines. With the right sides facing, place the border strips along both long edges of the main fabric. Align the right edges on the long sides and pin them in place, and stitch using a 1/4 inch seam allowance. Press it open. Center and arrange the applique pieces on each end of the main fabric. Fuse the bunnies into place. Finish the designs by stitching around the raw edges of each of the fabric pieces with blanket, zigzag, satin, or straight stitches. I like to try out different stitch lengths and widths on fabric scraps before I work on the applique. Place the backing fabric with the wrong side of the fabric facing up. Center the batting in the middle. Center the front piece on top and baste it in place to limit shifting during quilting. And quilt it as desired. Since we're using the backing as a binding, do not quilt past the edge of the front fabric. Fold the backing out of the way and very carefully trim away the excess batting. Unfold the backing and trim the backing fabric so it measures 1.5 inches away from the edge of the front piece. To create the binding and mitered corners, fold the corner of the backing so it meets the corner of the front piece and press it. Open up the fold and cut on the creased line. Fold the cut corner over the corner of the front piece and press it. Fold each side so the raw edges of the backing meet near the raw edges of the front and press it. Fold the backing fabric over one more time so it becomes a binding on the front, and press it. Follow the same technique all around the table runner and use fabric clips or pins to hold it in place. Adjust the mitered corners if necessary, and top stitch around the outside near the open edge of the binding. And just like that, you have a handmade quilted piece for your Easter table. If you'd like to see more quick and easy sewing projects like this one, check out some of my other video tutorials. See you next time with another project.